Oh hey, do you like super cute budget-friendly decor tips, including one tip that I promise you you've probably never seen in your whole freaking life? Then you're gonna love today's episode. Welcome back to Laugh Cry DIY. I'm Katie, and I'm very surprised I'm filming this episode. I did not expect to film something. I am out in Joshua Tree, California, the beautiful desert, with my friends. We are staying in an Airbnb. And while we were kicking it here, I looked around and I realized that the designers of this Airbnb have added a lot of super cute, super fun, pretty budget-friendly things. So we're gonna go around the space. I'm gonna show you 10 super cute, fun ideas you guys can incorporate into your own spaces. And I hope it gives you some inspiration for things you can do, especially if you have a rental or you are on, again, a super tight budget. I'm using somebody else's phone as a mic. We're using my phone to do this. It's all on the fly, but I hope you guys appreciate it. Okay, let's start. Number one, mini conversation area. This is the cutest thing ever. Adorable statement rug. Cute little garden stool. Gorgeous vintage chairs with adorable patterns. But guys, look how mini. It is so fun, it is so cute, it is so unexpected. It's such a great way to fill a kind of dead space that you don't know what to do with. That may not be the most practical, but honestly guys, you could recreate something like this even in a studio apartment. Imagine putting like two cute little ottomans side by side, a small little like plant riser even as a coffee table. It's so easy to do, it's such a vibe. It can bring alive a little dead corner, like I said, a dead space. And even if you don't have friends to sit and have a conversation with, it makes you feel like you do and you could. And that's the most important thing. Also, Maggie, look, there's a real friend there. So you guys know, this is an unexpected video being filmed at a real girls trip. I don't fake anything for you guys, except for a lot of the content. Okay, let's go to number two. Adorable little bowl as wall art. I don't know if you guys can see. I know this is crazy lighting, terrible angles, but this is the tiniest, cutest little unusual piece that is a 3D little bowl or something. And guys, I'm not ruining the space. I'm just saying I only noticed this because it was slightly sitting out of the wall. So you guys can see, it's like just really cute, especially paired with the art. And you could easily do this. You could thrift a little bowls, little vessels, whatever it is. You could like glue a screw on the back and then just tuck it into the wall. And I think we can all agree scientifically that this is so cute and so fun. Number three. This is a piece of art that is a mirror, or is it a mirror that is a piece of art? I love this. This is an engraved mirror, so you can see there's a pattern design over it. Mirrors are a great thing to bounce light around a space, of course, but sometimes you might have a space that like feels a little too boring and plain if it's just a mirror. So why not get a mirror engraved with a cool design? You could probably DIY it, and it would probably be a little bit difficult, but you could definitely do it. Also, I tend to see these in thrift stores a lot because I think they were more popular, especially like you're seeing a lot of 80s designs. So they're fairly easy to thrift, but again, it adds a little bit of unexpected detail, a little bit more texture, a little bit more of a fun pattern, whatever it is. Guys, we have to check out in 30 minutes. Did you guys know that? Did I mention that? We're trying to rush this. Okay, next one. Does this look casual?
Yeah, this look casual.
Number four. This might not be the most shocking thing, but it is a subtle detail that I do love, and that is a statue or sculptural planter. Planters are great. They house our plants, but sometimes they're very boring, and that's sad. So it's important to sass them up, especially if you can find something that is kind of the fun theme, a fun shape, something like that. I really love the face planter, and there are so many versions of this, right? We've seen the like European David statue, all that stuff, but a face planter, or statue planter, I should say, always adds a little spice to an area, so I really love it. Guys, number five, rugs as art. This is such a fun, funky piece. As you can see, it's like Grecian vase, but with a really unusual little illustration cartoon on it. Super fun, super cool. Again, we've talked about this before. Maybe we haven't talked about it before, but rugs as art pieces on the wall, again, very cool, very funky, very eclectic, and especially great if you have a rug that you love that is so expensive that all you can afford is the 2x1 version. Frame it, hang it, do whatever. Also, rugs are very cool as headboards. Okay, number six, suspension art. This house loves suspending things. We have suspended lights. We have suspended wood sculpture pieces. We have this fiber piece right here. But again, Very cool, very textural, very unique, and such a good way to fill especially like a dead dud corner that you just don't know what the hell to do with. You could do your own DIY thing, you could purchase a piece, whatever. But again, just suspending something from the ceiling, it's elegance, it's taste, it's giving gallery. So I'm telling you guys, do it and it can be very budget friendly. Number 7, painted details on walls that oftentimes relate or complement the art. In a previous episode, I did a whole gallery wall, which I painted shapes around. I love incorporating paint, patterns, things like that into a little art moment. Obviously here they just did like a simple little gold paint. I love that. I've also seen it where people kind of continue the artwork outside of the painting, so it looks like it's spilling out onto the wall. But again, if you have a very boring corner, a little dead space, a little spot by your entryway, and you just want to zhuzh it up, consider adding a little bit of paint detail. And very easy, very renter friendly. You guys get it. Number 8, statement tile, which is very fun in a small bathroom. I love this because it is an open shower, and this works the best for open showers with, again, no glass, no frame. I love this because in a small space, it means you can keep your shower curtain open, but you have a huge pop of pattern. This looks wallpapered, guys. This is groovy, this is fun. Most importantly, it's tile. So especially if you're living in a small space and you don't wanna like enclose yourself with a shower curtain, add a fun, bold ass tile. I've seen these geometric patterns, I've seen floral, I've seen like tile murals. So you can get so creative with it, and it is so fun to just open a door and boom, see a pattern. And now, number 9, and that is they have simply switched out the bulbs and added a gold tipped bulb. These are so budget friendly, so fun. Not everybody can pay for huge custom light fixtures. Not everybody can pay an electrician. Not everybody's landlord is gonna let them swap things. It's a very subtle way to get in a different finish texture. Let me see if I can turn it on. Because it's gold, it casts this really beautiful little glow, and it's really nice in a bathroom when you don't wanna be like disgusted by seeing yourself in fluorescent lights, you know? I think they're like maybe 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll link some below. So if you guys are very limited in what you can do because of your landlord or whatever, and you just have bare bulbs, sometimes all you need is just the tip. My friend Maggie said that. She said it while I was filming before, and she said I should have said it, and so I came back and I said it. Are you happy, Maggie?
Yes, Mary. That's what she said.
And now, guys, you ready? You ready for the number 1 cutest, coolest, funnest tip in this whole house? It's so simple, so unexpected. You guys won't even realize probably what it is. But basically, behind me is this adorable, cute little food dog, which is meant to ward off evil spirits. But behind that is a cute little piece of art that is the food dog itself. It's art of the art in front of it. Have you ever seen that? I don't think you have, because I know I haven't. Guys, this is so simple, so fun, such an easy DIY. Do you have a plant that you love? Paint a tiny little picture of it and frame it near the plant. If you have a candle jar, a photo frame, I don't know, anything you love, have your kids do a little artwork version of it. You can do a really bad, poor little version of it. Even if it's not great, it's still so cool and so whimsical and so meta that no one's gonna judge you. They're just gonna think it's the coolest thing ever. They're gonna wanna do it in their home. I will be doing it when I get home. It's a whole thing. Anyways, I think that this is the cutest, funnest little idea that I've ever seen in my life, so I hope you guys agree. And that, my friends, is your 10 fun, budget-friendly, eclectic decor ideas. I hope you guys found a little bit of inspiration. I hope if you guys do incorporate any of these ideas into your space, I also hope you will send me pictures because you guys know I love to see your nudes. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Marina, Maggie, Jicky. Thank you to my friends for finding this Airbnb. Like and subscribe if you want. And until next time, I gotta get home. Wait, I don't know. We gotta get out of here. Bye.